Alright, so we're going to try this. So this is our first mini lesson that is off of so this is your day off when you're not meeting with me. So when you guys go to Canvas and you go to your home page, find your current lesson, and let's go down to week 2. Okay, so this is what is manufacturing. So for year 1 kids, you'll see this on Monday. For year 2 kids, you'll see it on Monday. Year 1 kids, you will see it on Tuesday. So what I've done is made a discussion. So you're going to go to week 2, click on what is manufacturing. And I've got a little video for you to watch. It's about manufacturing, and then I have a little response for you guys to do. So when you're finished, write a 4-sentence response about what you were thinking when you were done. So you can write about what did you learn, what was interesting to you, what did this make you think about. Okay, anything that you kind of came to your mind while you're watching this, try and be as reflective as possible. Don't just say stuff like, man, manufacturing is cool. Try and use examples from the video. Then submit your response. Once you submit your response, you can go in and see the other students' responses. So if you do yours early, you might have to wait a little bit. I'm sorry, that's just the nature of it. Respond to 2 other student responses. Please be thoughtful and respectful. No credit will be given for I agree comments. See if you can pull something from the video to go with your comment, so back it up. And actually, I forgot to put this in here. These should be 2 sentences. And this will be due for everyone on Wednesday. I don't know why that did that. Okay, anyway, so that will be due on that Wednesday, so the next time I see you. If you have any questions, before you go to me, you go to your modules. Let's try and use these since I've been making them. What is manufacturing question? So go here and you can post your question. Try and learn a little bit about this. Even second year kids, there's probably some stuff in this that you didn't think about. This is going to be real short because it's the first one that we've done. You know, sometimes we'll have modeling lessons or whatever in here. So I hope this works. Let's try it out.